Hello everyone, my name is Salim and welcome to the Markets Breakdown Analysis for Thursday, the 28th of September 2023. We'll be breaking down chart and the sections where price will close for potential buys or close below for potential sells as well. So looking at the daily candle for Wednesdays, the daily's been extremely bearish, breaking below the key level, the strong key level we have around the 1900s. Now, to break down the chart, and what we can say it obviously, we are anticipating for the continuation to the downside. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the 4-hour time frame. So what we can see, we haven't got any recent 4-hour support. We have a 4-hour resistance all the way up to 1902 100, dropping down to the hourly, and now in the hourly we can see some sort of a range really. So we have this hourly support around 1874 700. We have this hourly high, which we really can't consider this as an hourly resistance because this is a really small range. And then dropping down to the 30-minute time frame, we can adjust the level of support to 1873 100. We can move this one to where this hourly 30-minute resistance around 1881 400. When looking on the 50-minute time frame, now we can clearly see we have a same level of support and resistance as well. And now to look for the potential no trade zone. So I would say what we could do is we could look for potential buys as price break and close above 30-minute resistance above 1881 400, and for potential sells could be below, I'd say below 1873 100, and this could be the no trade zone. And now to look for potential buys, and going back to the daily. So obviously since the daily is bearish, we can still anticipate a further push to the downside. So the first thing we're going to do is we can see clean candle on the daily candle for Wednesday, dropping down to the 4-hour time frame. Again, still clean traffic. Dropping down to the hourly is still the same thing. But what we can do when looking on the 30-minute time frame, on the 30-minute time frame, we have this previous 30-minute support around 1891. When looking on the 50-minute time frame, we have this 15-minute resistance around 1888 100. So I'd say probably the first target for buys could potentially be 1888 100, targeting this 50-minute resistance. And say the second target for buys, now obviously since we have clean traffic on the left, probably it could be a good idea to have the second target for buys based on the 50-minute time frame, though when we have a lot of volume in the market. So I'd say the second target for buys could potentially be 1892 100, targeting this hourly resistance on a 50-minute time frame. And now to look for potential sells, going back to the daily and looking, actually let's have a look on the monthly. So monthly, we have clean traffic on the left. On weekly, let's see what we can identify. So we have this previous, not really actually, let's have a look on the daily. Okay, on the daily, what we can see, we have this previous daily resistance that was formed around 1865 300, dropping down to the 4-hour time frame. What do we see? We have some sort of a range on the left. We have clean traffic on this recent price action. And maybe what we could do is the first target for sells could potentially be 1865 300, targeting this previous 4-hour resistance. And the second target for sells, now what we can do is we can put a line to where this daily resistance formed around 1855 800, dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, and let's see if we can adjust anything. So looking at the 4-hour time frame, and what we can see here is, what is it? So we have this previous 4-hour resistance as well. When looking on the hourly time frame, what do we see again? We have this becomes a really messy range, I'd say. So I'd probably stick to the high time frame again. I'd say the second target for sells could potentially be 1855 800, targeting this previous 4-hour resistance.
Dominion Markets, your trading sanctuary.